Now, one thing you want to make sure that you're doing before you do any of the stuff that I'm saying is just start tracking. That's the fastest way to see why you're gaining weight. If you're constantly gaining weight right now and you don't understand it, just start tracking what you're doing. When I say tracking, download an app, and that's going to allow you to enter the foods that you're consuming and the amounts of foods that you're consuming, so you can see how much food you're consuming on a daily basis. How many calories are you consuming right now? Right? If you're overweight, if you're obese, you have a lot of extra fluff on you, just start tracking the things that you're eating. Don't make any changes just yet. Just start tracking what you're eating. You may notice that all those little things that you're just eating on a constant day-to-day basis, those nuts and seeds that you're snacking on, the trail mix and all this stuff, the little chips and things like that that you're just eating while you're at work on break or whatever. Those little things are so easily forgotten. We just ignore them and act as if they're not calories or if they don't count because they're so small. But those things play a role into our overall weight that we're gaining. They add up over time. And if you keep snacking on these little things, it's going to continue to add more weight to you. So what you need to do, I'm getting a bunch of Instagram messages, I'm sorry. What you need to do is try to eliminate that or find better things to snack on. Grab some seaweed packs from Whole Foods or whatever. Little seaweeds, those things, they're like maybe 25 calories for the little pack, right? And snack on those. Improve your selection of the things that you chew on if you do need to snack. All right, don't just go grab these high calorie foods and snacking on those all day. So just start tracking what you're eating. And once you start tracking what you're eating, you will see a pattern of the decisions that you're making. And you'll see that, oh man, I'm up here eating 4,000 calories per day. I'm eating 5,000 calories per day from these little things that I would have never known. I would never thought about. I would have never known that peanut butter is full of calories. And I'm up here having 3 tablespoons of that every single day, adding an extra 400, 600 calories to my diet, right? So just start keeping track of these things that you're doing. You'll realize these little decisions that you're making that's causing you to gain extra weight. Now, what happens? Once you start tracking these things, you pick up a pattern, you're going to need to figure out how many calories you should be consuming on a day-to-day basis to maintain your weight. What are your maintenance calories? And you can get a quick start by just grabbing a macro calculator online. You can grab one actually in the description below. It's a free one on builtbyplants.co/fat loss-calculator. It's free. Enter your stats, your age, height, weight, gender, all those things, your activity levels, how many times you're working out per week, and it's going to give you an estimate of how many calories you should start eating. All right, how many calories you start eating to start seeing some progress. It'll let you know your maintenance calories and then how many calories you should start eating to be in a calorie deficit. And when you start eating in a calorie deficit, that's going to help you start losing weight. Then you need to go ahead and start building a meal plan. Have a list of the different meals that you're going to eat on a day-to-day basis. I recommend keeping it simple. Don't try to have a variety of meals every single day because it's going to add a bunch of extra confusion. You're going to be trying to cook every single day. Keep it simple. Eat the same lunch every day of the week, all right? Or maybe 2. Simplify it. Meal prep. There's a video on the channel where I show you how to do a vegan meal prep. Prep all your lunches, get them ready, put in the fridge, snatch and go for work, and then you can cook your dinner when you get home, all right? Keep it simple. For the morning, just have a protein shake. Add some bananas, add some protein powder, some low-calorie almond milk, add some hemp seeds or something like that. You know, a little bit creatine in there if you want to, if you're trying to build some muscle. And then you're good, right? Have that in the morning. You know, a quick 350 calories for your shake, all right? Some protein powder in there and you're good. For your lunch, have a burrito bowl, a voodoo bowl, whatever you want to have, all right? Dinner, come home, have, you know, a little salad with some pasta or whatever it may be, some tacos or something like that. Download the Built by Plants Pocket Coach. Well, first go to builtbyplants.io, sign up for your $1 trial to grab the Pocket Coach. Lots of different meals inside the virtual kitchen. We add new meals every single week. So download that. Or just type in, go on Pinterest, look up some different meals, look up some vegan meals, all right? Find something. When you're making these meals, make sure that you're taking account for how many calories are in there, all right? And make sure that it works for your calorie deficit. And track those meals. Make sure that you're in a deficit on a week-to-week basis. And this is going to help you start making progress towards your weight loss goals. These are actionable things that you can start doing. And if you do what I'm telling you right now, you will see progress. But you actually have to do it, all right? You have to make sure that you're holding yourself accountable. Or if you can't do that, find someone that can hold you accountable. Get coaching. We offer coaching. We help our clients every single day of the week lose weight on a consistent basis. All right. Get someone that's going to be able to guide you through that process if you can't do it yourself. What you need to do is keep yourself accountable to getting this done, because it's not about what you know, it's about what you can actually do on a consistent basis and maintain for the rest of your life. All right. Because you're not always going to be dieting, but you need to sustain a way of eating that you can enjoy, that's going to deliver results, and that you can see yourself doing for the foreseeable future. All right. So do these steps, take action on this. And guess what? When you're in a deficit, you're going to start to see your stomach starting to go down. You're going to see some progress. You're going to be able to look in the mirror and see results. And when you see yourself changing, when you see your body looking different than it was the week before, the month before, 6 months before, that's going to keep you motivated, and it's going to make you want to make more progress. So start this. This is the way to start. I want to invite you to join the Built by Plants Pocket Coach, which is our private community and app where I have all the tools, the resources, the courses, and the community to help you succeed towards your goals. We have an actual drag and drop meal plan builder that's going to allow you to grab foods that are inside of what we call the virtual kitchen. It's basically all of our plant-based recipes that have been designed to specifically work for the calories and the protein that you need so you can make some progress. You can take the meals out of the virtual kitchen and drag and drop them onto your meal plan builder. And every day, Monday through Sunday, it'll let you know what you're taking in, a recipe video to show you how to make them, also how many calories for that specific day, so you can stay structured. Also, it's going to give you a virtual grocery list so you can grab only what you need so you're not wasting money when you get into the grocery store. I know that sounds perfect, but let me tell you the rest. It's also have a private community and an actual app that you can download from the App Store or the Android store so you can post inside of our community. Similar to like Facebook without all the junk, this is specifically towards people that have goals, that want to see themselves succeed on a plant-based diet. Even if you've been plant-based for 15 years, you can always make progress towards how your body looks. And that's what this is geared towards. So all of our community members are posting their meals, they post their workouts, they ask questions, and every Sunday we meet on a Zoom call where we're connecting, we're growing, we're creating new recipes from scratch, we're meal prepping together, doing all type of cool things that's going to help you stay in line and stay mentally prepared and mentally focused so you can actually reach your goal, right? I know you only lost 20 pounds before, but guess what? It usually comes right back. Because you don't have no support, you don't have no accountability, you don't have no guidance, you don't have nobody in your life in this area that's helping you make progress. And that's what I want for you. Once you go to that next page, it's $27 per month in order to get the Pocket Coach. And you can cancel if you don't like it, but you're not going to cancel, you're going to love it. I will see you inside the Pocket Coach so I can help you make progress towards your goals and stick with this lifestyle for the rest of your life. See you in a few.